Hi, my name is Rich Glady. I head up the Lubricants division for VP Racing Fuels. I've been in the lubricants business for approximately 38 years, and I've been with VP approximately 4 years. We created a new line of racing oils that we feel are second to none in the marketplace. One of the oils that we are using for circle track applications is our new EXHP 050. When visiting a number of the NASCAR players and engine builders, they said they wanted a fast flow oil to get to the upper end of the engine. We formulated this product to do exactly that, to flow up into the engine parts. Plus, we have a very aggressive additive system to protect the engine parts. We put in approximately 1,700 parts per million zinc, 1,540 parts per million phosphorus, plus 2 additional anti-wear chemistries in this oil. Plus, we use a very heavy molecular polymer, so it reduces the amount of shear with the product, so it won't break down after long use. We would appreciate you trying the product, and if you have any questions at all, feel free to call our technical support department.